every car have a specific oil that is made for that engine. Yes, did you know that? If you dey use Corolla, if you dey use Camry, if you dey use Mercedes, there is a particular oil number when they tell you, say, this is the oil when you're supposed to dey use for your motor. How many of us even read the manual of our vehicles? How many of us actually use the manual of our vehicles? How many of us actually read manuals of our vehicle? I know, say, some of us, they buy second hand, third hand, fifth hand, sixth hand. Before you reach our house, the manual not even did the motor again. But that is the reason why I say it's very necessary when I go talk about this topic today. Some people go, they call me, hey, my engine, this sound, this one is doing this sound, this one is doing that sound. My brother, have you been doing the right thing? Have you been doing the right thing? Have you been maintaining your vehicle properly? Now, let's start with Corolla. A Corolla engine is supposed to drive 300,000 miles before you're supposed to have issues with your engine. It's supposed to drive 300,000 miles. That is the mileage. 300,000 miles, I repeat, before it is even, you say, the thing done they due for change. Okay, let's pause. We continue from here. Thank you.